model, 2015 Mercedes-Benz Sprinter 313 CDI medium roof medium wheelbase, very long MOT fridge van. Body, white, fridge. Mileage, 269999. MOT, the 17th of October 2025. Engine, 2143 CCOM 651 129 HPA. Transmission, 6-speed manual, rear-wheel drive. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. The gearbox and transmission are in good condition and it pulls in all gears. No lights on the dash. Condition summary, bodywork is indecent, average condition reflects the age and mileage of the vehicle. Interior is indecent, average condition still more than comfortable. Rear load area is indecent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features, 1 former keeper, electric windows, fridge. EU status, Euro 5. HPI, clear. Click the link in the description for pictures and more info. Alternatively, call or WhatsApp us on 07401199723.